Ah, pets, the lovable family members. Now, did you know that more than 60% of US households have pets? And if you're one of us, you must know the flooring limitations of being pet owners, right? But how much are the limitations? Is there such a thing as a pet-friendly flooring? Yes, of course. The right type of flooring will keep your house pet-friendly and beautiful too. Yes, pets are cuddly and adorable, but their untrimmed nails can scratch to certain types of flooring. Even well-behaved pets that don't deliberately scratch can still cause damage from simple acts such as running or jumping. So, which flooring are good for pets? Hardwood floors. Hardwood floors are nature's best products in my opinion. They're also greener than vinyls. But when you have dogs, you should go for wood species that are harder. The hardness of a wood can be measured. It's called the Janka hardness test. Usually, oak or hickory's hardness are good enough, and they are sustainable and cost-effective. Also, have distress, wire brush, or sandbag surface look with urethane finish. This will help hide the scratches over time. Now, second one is luxury vinyl planks. Vinyl planks are the most water-resistant flooring out there. So when your pets have accident and you don't happen to be there to immediately wipe it down, it's okay. The likelihood of the water coming through the subfloor is minimal. Vinyl also very easy peasy to clean up. And the fact that vinyl is plastic is very resistant to scratches from your pet's nails. Just be careful. Do not go below 20 mils of wear layer. Otherwise, your pets will easily penetrate the top layer. The downside of vinyl is that it's plastic, and some folks don't really like the look, the steps, and it's all very slick, both to humans and pets alike. A third one is laminate flooring. Laminates are getting closer to vinyl in terms of its water resistant and hardiness. Definitely not your father's laminates. For example, Redwood laminates by Mohawk is marketed as waterproof. It has multiple layers of top coating to prevent scratches. The layers of laminates can absorb the heavy traffic in your pet's nails. Now, yes, there are some give and take whichever way you choose. But when there's a will, there's a way. Now, keep in mind that all of these surfaces are hard and slick, and your pets may have trouble with grip. We recommend having area racks to make the room more comfortable for your pets and yourself.